Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Bailey stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the half double crochet stitch, the back post half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You'll now make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains will count as a half double crochet, so you're going to skip the first stitch. We're going to immediately start our sequence. Around this next stitch, you're going to make a back post half double crochet. Then into this next stitch, you're going to make a regular half double. That's our sequence. You're going to repeat from here. Around this next stitch, you're going to make a back post half double crochet. Then into this next stitch, you're going to make a regular half double. Next is a back post half double. Into this next stitch is a regular half double. So you can see how things are looking. You would now alternate between making a back post half double crochet over the next stitch, then a regular half double crochet into the next stitch until you reach the last stitch of this row. Once you reach the end of your row, you're going to have some chains left over here that are going to count as a stitch. And at the tops of these chains, you're going to make a regular half double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a regular half double crochet stitch. For this row, we're going to be working 1 regular half double crochet into each stitch, but only using the back loops. So we're going to have to identify the back loops. You're going to turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches. This loop on the other side of your work, farthest away from you, is the back loop. So we're going to skip the first stitch because these chains count as a half double. Working into the next one, you're going to make a half double into that back loop only. That's how that's going to look. So you're going to make a half double crochet stitch into each stitch, only into that back loop. Once you get to the end of this row, you have some chains left. These chains counted as a regular half double. Work a regular half double into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Bailey stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.